go ahead and start discussing this sheet right here. This is your Excel sheet that you're working off of. This page for the done listing is dedicated to the items and the products that you have completed your listings for. So if there's anything on here that's not listed, it should be going on the need to start, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. Now, these items right here all need to get deleted because we don't do duplicates on this Excel sheet. The eBay link, I'd also like to go over some of these columns on Excel to explain to you what they mean. Product title. So the product title must match the title you use on Amazon. You should be using this as the MPN or model number on your Amazon product listing. Status. So you should be updating the statuses when you work on these items. So you must choose the current status of the item. Let me see. So not started means that you have not started listing this product on Amazon. Listed means that you have already listed it. You have questions about it. You might have questions. Listed and incomplete is what I would write if it was listed and incomplete. Next. Okay, the eBay link, I would provide that. The QVC link, you can grab that the minute that you get these numbers right here. And honestly, you should be grabbing the QVC links and putting them over here the moment you find them. Let me show you an example of how to gather that information. Let's say I want to look for this item. I right-clicked, I press Smart Lookup. Now I'm going to go like this. Let's see if this works. There you go. There. See? K0784. Let's go ahead and find it. And now I go like this. I go like this. What I do is Control C. I come over here. I hop onto the link. I'm going to press Insert Link. And then I want it to display as that. The address is this one. Paste. Okay. Now it's a link. Great. Insert. I'm going to go to link. I'm going to go to Insert Link. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to hit Insert Link again. I'm going to paste it. That's okay. Then. Whenever you have an eBay listing link, this is what you do. You open this product, okay? So, I think this item is actually listed on Amazon, but I don't remember. Let's say I want to set my own listing for this item. I would say, go ahead and take a combination of the two titles. All right, so the model number that I like to use is the same thing as the search term that you have, the K370. So for this one, we would go here, model number, there, model name. Like this. Print screen, print screen. This one. Recording. Still recording. I'm almost done. I'm just doing it until I finish the listing. I'm just doing it until I finish the listing. So I'm almost done listing this. This is the land of the complicated on Amazon. They overly complicate everything they want sellers to do. I lost my screenshot. I mean, obviously mute this. You hear my little baby? He killed it for me anyways. He killed the recording for me anyways. You just hear the loud man snoring sound in the background. He's been snoring so fucking loud. I have to mute the whole thing. It's still recording. He's been snoring really loud. I'm gonna do it this way. What? What? I have to delete the audio anyways. What? What's he? I'm not gonna grab it right now. I'm trying to do this fast. What is it? Okay. Where the fuck is this again? So this is how I jack pictures from QVC without letting them get deleted. Oh fuck, I didn't see that. Okay. See that is the original. There you go. I know what confusing. And then smoothies, lunch, tags, I want to upload. Amazon. There you go. Here's one. Here's 2. And 3. I don't know, that maybe don't show. It's so annoying. That's 3. Please show it. My images won't upload. I'm gonna cry. This sucks. The same bullet points on QVC's website, like this section right here. I want you to put it in separate bullet points on Amazon's bullet point section. So I copy pasted the whole description. Now I'm cutting and pasting the bullet points. The model number is K370. The model name is this one. Whatever TVC's title is what I put as model name. The manufacturer, Saatchi. The generic keyword, lunch bag. Special features, adjustable shoulder strap. More. Freezer safe. More. Lightweight. Shatterproof. Thermal insulated. Okay, that's good enough. Style is going to be casual. Target gender, female. Age range, any. Let's just say all. Material, nylon. Number of items, 2. Item package quantity, 1. Item type, name. Let's make this into a rainbow. Twelve inches is the length, 6 inches is the width. Width. 1 inch is the height. The variations are the color pink and black. Number of compartments is 2. It's polyester, not nylon.